What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back at Bartlett Lake. We got Mike today with us. He hasn't fished for about 15 years. He's out fishing me already. Tonight we're going to be flathead fishing. We're going to go ahead and start by catching some bait. We're looking for carp today, so I'll show you guys what we're using. Alright, so we got some 12-pound braid. We got our method feeder with some pack bait there. And then we have a number 18 J hook at the bottom filled with corn. We'll see what we can get. There's something on this one. Come get it.
That's a big one.
Here.
Oh shit, bring the thing in.
Keep tension on it. Here, I'll hold this.
Yeah, it got a little twisted up. That's something. Hey.
It's a catfish.
That's pretty cool.
And then with catfish, they have the spikes right there, and the one on top as well.
Shit.
The one on top as well. And oh shit!
Ooh, yeah.
And so if they get you, those hurt. At least the small ones. The big ones, you know, they can still get you, but not as bad.
I mean, that's pretty cool.
Broke the skunk. First fish of the day. There you go. Oh yeah, it's on. I think it's another catfish. We're in Catfish Central.
Is that right?
Yeah. See how it's kind of shaking the head a little bit? Carp will just run, but this I'll never know until you get him in. Yep.
Look at that.
Another little catfish.
Wow.
See ya. Good thing. 40 patience.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
The only annoying part is the spell. That seems more like a carp, to be honest. See how it's not shaking as much?
Yeah, it's running.
And yeah, what we're running. Oh yeah, it is a carp. Oh, that's a good one too, because it's nice and
You can keep that for
small. Yeah.
bait. Yeah, okay.
You got some bait. Nice.
I know. You know, you would call and get like, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Told you. That's a bigger one for sure.
Sweet.
You hear the line stretching?
Yeah.
Dang, he doesn't want to move. Or did I get snagged now? Oh, no, it's still on there. It came out, it was probably on a rock. Feels like a catfish, maybe. I don't know. Oh no, it's a carp.
Oh. More bait. Good try. Good. Nice. Look at that.
There you go. Well, we can at least have 2 routes out tonight.
Yeah.
It's a catfish or what? Oh, we got a stick.
Got a stick. Wow. How did it move like that?
We got a vegetarian fisherman over here.
Yeah, look at that. Just force my
There goes, there goes.
Get it, get it, get
I
it.
get this for you.
Thank you.
So keep it tight. You see how it's going? So if it's pulling at you, let it go, but make sure it's tight. Keep going. Whoa! Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Nice.
Holy smokes.
There you go.
Wow.
No weeds this time.
Yeah, right? No vegetarian fish?
You gotta hold it.
That's pretty good. Good size.
It is a good size.
Right on.
You want to take a picture for your wife?
Sure, why not?
Alright guys, if you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now back to the video. We're about to have some lunch, and Mike getting her last fish here for bait.
Okay.
Mike, the carp killer.
Dude, this is your rod. I'm just standing.
The meat. We're really hoping we can get something tonight. We finally got plenty of bait. It's a beautiful day out here. So let's wait and see. It's very quiet right now. Freaking love it when there's not a lot of people here. Makes things a little easier. So we only got spinning reels, and there's no clicker on it. So what I did is loosen this up, so when it does take it, it'll kind of click, and then I'll have to tighten it up and then set the hook. Hopefully that works. We'll find out. It's gonna get dark here pretty soon, the next couple hours. We got enough bait, I think. We'll just wait it out and see what we can get.
Hey, look at that! Monster! It's a bluegill.
There we go. Nice bluegill. Something lurking around it. I dropped it again. It has to come back. Poor buddy, still breathing. So many flatheads did we catch last night, Mike?
Oh boy, that would be a big whopping 0. Yeah.
Well, definitely not the ending we wanted, but regardless, it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up, and as always, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.